I'm moving forward on the two cabinet doors that are going to be looking like trunks. And right now I'm just kind of testing out how the hardware from the trunk we bought at Property Control will kind of look once we get two doors made. And you can see where I've done some old world travel stickers and shipping stickers so that they look a little bit more like crates. The bigger door here, just a lot of little hints at different things that I like to tie in here and there. The Society of Explorers and Adventurers tied in, and that old hardware. And I've done a little bit more to the cabinet that will go over the bathroom sink. I've got a little sea emblem here and some baggage stickers there and some nods on the side as if this old guitar case has been around the world. And that's going to be the whole idea of everything. Adventure, travel, exploration, all of it. It's been a while since we had a progress report. We have continued to take down the old Luan that was somewhat rotted, but we are trying to use the foam that was there to save a little bit on material cost. And in the places that there were holes in it, Cory has used a pourable foam to fill those spaces up. There were little weevil holes, I'm guessing beetles or ants or termites or something that had weevilled their way into the foam. So he's filled it with the Flex-It foam. We've covered it in a latex paint so that when we put on the new Luan, that it won't eat up the foam with the contact cement. And that seems to work very well if Cory times it right. The window is back in, the one that we painted, and he has got all of this prepped for the Luan to go back on. And in addition to that, we've cleaned a lot out of the trailer so that work can continue to move forward, because obviously if it's full, you can't move forward. We have put up a construction tent to house all of our construction materials to make better use of things. There's not room in the house for all of the construction stuff that we're using. Plus, we'd like to celebrate Christmas, which means we need a place that we can actually put up a Christmas tree. And with all the construction materials inside, couldn't do that, but they should be safe and dry in here. And hopefully we won't have to have the tent up for too terribly long until we start reconstructing inside the trailer. I'm hoping that this organization really helps the project and helps move us along a little bit, because it can be overwhelming at times to be surrounded by all of this all over my house. Oh, and we utilized our scaffolding as shelving units as well. I am moving forward with my cute little spray booth to work on some of the smaller projects that need to have shelter while painting. The rhino feet are still in progress. We found these caution signs on one of our walk, I think from maybe a road crew, and I'm thinking the explosive signs are going to go on to the bathroom door. A little bit of humor, maybe 5th grade boy humor. And then I want to do one of them that I'm repainting completely to go on the camper door that says beware of dog, and then when you flip it over it will say beware of dog kisses, since Lupa is the main reason that we are moving toward a camper for travel. We want to take her with us. You know, it's just the same old. We're moving forward. What are you working on?
Glass and Cabasel I've got mixed up. Got the fender put back together. It was in 3 pieces. There's damage on the fiberglass on this leading edge on both sides. I'm just trying to fill in some of the holes with the polyester putty.
I see you got the seals
got
in.
the seals on this window, and they seem to be looking pretty good. There's a little bit of a problem with that curve, but maybe after it warms up for a few days and nights, maybe it'll settle in and straighten out.
Cool, cool.
Moving forward.
It's moving.
I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.